In closing, I wanted to ask if you have anything else you would like to say from your position of wisdom about cultural transmission and how advice about living a good life.
Wait, that is, of course, to live a good life, that's a personal decision. Who am I? Like they would say, me and you, who am I to advise people how to live? You know, like a good Yid would say, ich hab meine eigene Zores. I have my own problems, how to handle my own life. How could I give advice to other people? But the best thing is to be a mensch. As the rabbis would say, Imeina nili mili, if I cannot help myself, nobody is going to help me. Lo bashamayim hi, it's not in heaven, it's here. You got to be good. It's here. I hope I lived a good life. I hope that life is not always Rosenkes and Mandeln. You heard that expression, Rosenkes mit Mandeln? It's not all milk and honey. Even though the people were led in to Eretz Zavat Chalaf Udvash, to the land of milk and honey, but we have a lot of cloudy days. Yes, like they would say, God Dank, and the sun is shining, and it is very good that the sun is shining, and it is very good that we have sunshine, but there is also sorrow in the world, and each one got to find their own way.